Hello and happy Earth Day. I wanted to celebrate Earth Day by doing some really fun math and reading a special story today, so look for that as well. We are going to be working on a secret code today to help save the Earth. You have two options. You can either just do one or you can do both. And what you're going to do is you're going to solve these addition problems. So you're going to find your worksheet. It'll look like this. And you're going to solve the answer by either using your fingers or paper or objects. So if I was going to do 2 plus 1, I have enough fingers to do that. So I could use my fingers to do 2 plus 1 more and count them all. 1, 2, 3. So where this X is, I'm going to replace that with the number 3. I would solve that for all of my X's up top. And then I'm going to write out the answer. So every time I get the number 3, I need to write the letter D. So I'd look down in my code, I see here's a 3. So I know that the letter D goes right on top of that X, right where the number 3 is. And when you put all of your letters in, it's going to reveal a secret way to help save the Earth. I hope you enjoy this math fun that we're going to have today.